Hello guys, welcome back to my another new video. Today I'm showing how to change your Wi-Fi password and connect. So I'm just click Wi-Fi network and select network and internet settings. So open settings and click your network. So this is the properties, this is the cable connection and show available network, and click Akash and connect. So now you can forget this password. So now click on properties. Okay, this is the private network and scroll down IPv and click edit and the save. Okay, so configure firewall security and get more, and just time click right button and properties. So this is the manually connect automatically when you with range. So private network, so just private or public, set your set a meter connections. So click open and back. So guys, this video today totally education purpose, and I will show you next time to chat with another new video. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe our channel.